This Bitcoin movement was expected. Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Arash. As you can see, the cryptocurrency market is quite red today and we have a strong correction in the market. As you can see, Ethereum went down for 4%, Bitcoin is down for something around 6%, Doge is down for 10%, and as you can see, the majority of market is quite bearish right now, but I think this is a correction in the market. In our past videos, if you check last post about cup and handle pattern, we have predicted that this movement will happen in the market. We have mentioned this movement, this correction in almost every videos. Okay, if you check the video about movement steps in the market, you will see that I'm mentioning that we are going to have a correction. If you check the post about cup and handle price pattern, you will see that I am mentioning this correction and it happened. But from now on, something really beautiful is going to happen in cryptocurrency market. So watch this video till the end because there are golden tips in this video. Okay guys, let's get to the chart for more explanation. As you can see in my chart, we can see that the Bitcoin price is moving down and we had a head and shoulder price pattern here and the neckline has been broken down and price can continue this movement to the downside. But the most important thing is that the price of Bitcoin has touched the top of this uptrend channel. This is the channel, price channel, and the middle line right now works as a strong support area, which is somewhere around $56,000. Okay, so if the price of Bitcoin moves down here, it's a nice opportunity to enter a buy position. And also if the price moves down for more, somewhere around $50,000 is another perfect area for buy position. I think after some kind of correction from this level or this level, Bitcoin will come back to break above previous all-time high, which is $64,000. Okay, after some correction, I think Bitcoin price will come back and break above the previous all-time high, and it happens from this level or it might happen from lower prices, for example around $50,000. Why? Because on daily time frame, as you can see, 100 days moving average has crossed up 200 days moving average, and this is a perfect bullish signal in the market, and I think price cannot hit below this area, okay, below 100 or 200 days moving average, and it's a worst scenario right now. Okay, I mean the worst scenario right now, the nightmare is $50,000. Okay, I don't think that Bitcoin can succeed to touch below these areas, and after the correction we are going to hit higher levels. And if you check last videos about cup and handle price pattern, you can see the market moves up, it moves in a circular shape as you can see here, and then we have a small correction here, and after the breakout price can hit higher levels. Okay, on Bitcoin price, as you can see, the price has moved down and made a circular shape movement in the market, and right now we are having a small correction. I think from this level or maybe from lower levels, Bitcoin can succeed to touch higher prices. Okay, and we call this pattern cup and handle pattern. This is a cup, as you can see, beautiful circular movement, and this is a handle. After some correction from this level or from $50,000, we can expect the price to come back and hit higher levels. Don't forget that this video is not a financial advice and we are analyzing chart for educational purposes, but I'm quite sure about this pattern which is being formed in cryptocurrency market. And as you can see, we have a cup and handle in the market. And also if you check altcoins, for example on Dogecoin, you can see that price has moved down too much, and before pumps, before big movement in altcoins, we usually have some sort of scary moments, okay, some sort of fake movements, because it's not meant to be for everyone. Okay, not everyone should make profit in cryptocurrency market or other financial markets. So I think this movement is some sort of fake movement because they want to make a small traders scared, or they want to some sort of rob money from small traders, traders who cannot hold and they have weak hands. So in order to sum up, I think after some sort of pullback, we are going to complete our handle price pattern, and after the breakout from the top side of this chart pattern, Bitcoin price can hit higher levels, guys. And something extraordinary can happen in cryptocurrency market. If we check 2013, we can see that the market is copy pasting movements from 2013. Okay, as you can see, on 2013 we had a strong uptrend on monthly time frame. Price had a correction for 6 months, and on November you can see a big massive movement from Bitcoin. Strong green candle to the upside, and right now you can see that we had a strong uptrend. We had a 6 months correction or something like that, and on November I think Bitcoin can explode, okay, and it can move up too much to the upside. And if you check, for example, the last October 2013, you can see we had a big shadow below the price on monthly time frame, which was a strong correction in the market on lower time frames. So I think there is nothing to be too scared from the market, and I think that this big green candle, which is 400% movement to the upside, will happen in cryptocurrency market, especially on Bitcoin. Maybe in this time it would be something around 100 or 200%, but this beautiful strong movement I think is going to happen in cryptocurrency market after the breakout from top side of this pattern. So everything is quite ready, and I'm not quite scared of this red candle because I can analyze the market at any kind of situation. As you can see, my first buy zone, my second buy zone, and prepared and ready for this market. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. See you later.